Hello, PDR techs in the USA and all over the world. We are Keith and Leticia Skelton here in Texas. First of all, we just want to say thanks to all who have come to our booth during the Mobile Tech Expo in Las Vegas in September 2019. It was a pleasure to meet you and to have you try out and buy a PDR Defender tool. We have listened to your feedback and to some brilliant suggestions to incorporate a few modifications to the PDR Defender tool. So we have created a second version of it, which some of you may find even more useful and helpful to help you fix dents on fenders. So today we would like to show you the new modifications we have made to create this new version of the tool, and we know you like to know about it. Before we show you the new version, we just want to quickly show you the original PDR Defender tool, which we still make and sell. It's made of 304 stainless steel, and this tip is specially designed to rebuild the body line on the fender. If you want to see how to use it to fix dents on fenders, we have videos on our Facebook page and on our website, pdrdefender.com. So now let's talk about the second version of the PDR Defender tool. What's new? Okay, two modifications. Number one, we have added some clear handle covers to make it more comfortable to hold. Number two, we've added a special attachment on top of the original tip. This attachment allows you to screw on different tips, such as the Dentcraft R4 or Dentcraft R4-P. This attachment will give you multiple options to work the dents, as suggested. We've heard you and we've made it happen. All right, folks, Keith just showed you the two modifications. If you'd like to order a PDR Defender tool, just go to our website, pdrdefender.com. You may either order the original version of the tool or the newest version with the latest modifications. For those who have purchased the original PDR Defender tool but would prefer to have the second version of it, please contact us to know how you may exchange it for the modified version. We'll let you know what steps to take, the cost, etc. Thank you all again for watching this video, and we will meet again soon with another episode of PDR Defender, your fender friend tool.